Okay, I just got this new AI video tool. Let's unbox it together and see what's inside. The packaging is super clean and modern. Here's the main dashboard. Looks simple and inviting. I'm honestly excited to try this out. First impression, everything feels user-friendly. No confusing menus or overwhelming options here. Now let's test the core feature, video generation. I'll start by entering a random idea as text. Typing, how to make iced coffee at home. Clicking generate, and wow, it's processing fast. Look at that. The video preview pops up instantly. It auto-selects visuals and background music. I can swap images or change the audio easily. Let's try adding my own photo to the mix. Uploading an image, drag and drop, super smooth. The AI fits my image perfectly into the video. Now I want to test audio input, recording a quick voice note for narration. Uploading it, again, no hassle at all. The platform syncs my audio with the visuals. Everything feels seamless, even for beginners. No need for editing experience or tech skills. Let's check out the customization options. There are templates for different video styles. I can adjust colors, fonts, and transitions. It's easy to preview changes in real time. Exporting the video takes just a few seconds. The final result looks polished and professional. Honestly, I'm impressed by the output quality. Let's analyze the features that stand out. First, it supports text, image, and audio inputs. Second, it converts ideas into videos instantly. Third, there's zero learning curve for new users. Fourth, the AI handles editing automatically. Fifth, you can customize every detail if you want. This is perfect for content creators on deadlines. Marketers can use it for quick campaign videos. Educators will love making lessons more engaging. I didn't hit any technical roadblocks at all. The interface is clear and responsive throughout. No software downloads, everything's in the cloud. I like how it saves my projects automatically. You can revisit and edit videos anytime. Sharing options are built in for social platforms. I wish there were more advanced editing tools. But for speed and simplicity, it's unbeatable. Let's recap my overall experience so far. Setup was instant, and video creation is effortless. The AI delivers solid results from basic inputs. Customization is there if you want deeper control. If you need fast, good-looking videos, try this. I recommend it to creators, marketers, and teachers. You don't need any technical background to start. Check out the link below to grab your copy. Let me know your thoughts if you try it out.